the trade and exhibit section of the Parrot Society sale. And this is the first exhibitor, Beaks Bird Minding. And then we have Breeder's Choice Seeds, Pet Directory. We're going to be setting up some exotic birds on display here. And more exotic birds will be displayed here. Okay, this is Pet Homes, and they are selling cages and happy huts, bird toys, and flight suits. And there's their models. Okay, this is Vetafarm, and they sell like health products and vitamins for birds, and pellets.
Dirty, is it? Which one's dirty?
Okay, this is the Parrot Society sales table, and this is the usual merchandise here. Hand-wearing mix, the club shirts, nest boxes. There's some toys there on the back table, which is unusual. And seeds, mung beans, things like that. And we've got our calendars, which have been marked way down. Okay. So moving right along here, we've got like the Cockatiel Society. Australian National Cockatiel Society. And this gentleman here is selling brooders and bird cages. Oh, this is the preliminaries. Okay, and this is Casey Taylor, a bird artist. She does paintings and these little caricatures that are really cute, coffee mugs. Okay. Got a lot of black-palm cockatoos there. Pet and wildlife art. Okay, here's some small carry cages for finches. Here's the Parrot Rescue Center. They sell a lot of foraging toys, and they've actually got the best line of toys in Australia. Some very nice things here. Hi Zarita. And some natural made toys, because these are the things that we can't order from outside. We can only have them from inside Australia. Okay, and now we've got Australian Bird Keeper, ABK, and they've got an assortment of DVDs, videos, books, and all kinds of books here. And this is their bi-monthly magazine. And this is Hannah, Brisbane Bird Boarding, and she's the one who looks after my little babies. And this is her little friend. What's his name?
Karma.
Karma?
Karma, yeah.
Karma is a real sweetheart. You just want to eat, don't you? And over here we have an artist, a photographer. Photography by Casey Foe. Cassie. Okay, she's done some lovely photography of feathers. And so this is the trade hall.